everyone, my name is Tanmaya and today we are making an experiment with the Ultimate Science Kit. I made a video of it the other day. I hope you guys watched it. Now let's get on with the video. The ingredients from the equipment from the Ultimate Science Kit is the measuring cup, the messy mat, and the stirring stick, the mold. The materials from the kit is food coloring, scents, and glycerin flakes. The ingredients from your home is water and a microwave or a pan. The first thing that we have to do is take one glycerin flake and break it into pieces. And then place the pieces in the measuring cylinder. Okay. You might want to close your nose for this one because these are very strong scented. That's one glycerin flake. Break it into pieces. This is hard to break. It's like harder than breaking a crayon. I thought this would be exactly like breaking a crayon. Next is microwave the glycerin pieces for 10 seconds. If the glycerin isn't fully melted, microwave for 5 seconds at a time until it melts. For this we might need a cup, which is right here in this kit. Let's keep this one here just in case. Go in. Let's read the rest of the instructions in step 2. After, watch carefully to make sure glycerin doesn't boil over. In case you don't have a microwave, ask an adult to place the measuring cylinder in boiling water to melt the glycerin pieces. And just breaking this up again so the chunks aren't too big so it will melt easier. And I don't have a microwave, so I will just boil it in water. First, before doing that, let me just break these things into smaller pieces. Like it was shown in this picture. See here, these pieces are small. So I want to make it like that. These seem to be small enough. Now, I'll be right back after I melt these. So guys, there has been an accident. The dish that we were melting the glycerin on burnt. It has brown spots all over. Guys, my glycerin is melted. Next we add some food coloring. 1 drop of color, 1 drop, and 4 drops of any scent you like. You can find this in the soap science thing. Okay, that's 4 drops, and then stir the mixture using the stirring stick and pour it into the mold. Reheat in case the glycerin starts to solidify. Solidify means thicken, like it's happening in here. I'll be right back after I reheat. Bye guys, I remelted my soap glycerin, and then we have to pour it in the mold, right? In case the glycerin starts solidifying, we keep the mold in the freezer for half an hour. This thing should be in the freezer for half an hour. So, see you in half an hour. Bye. Okay guys, the soap hasn't cooled out yet. It has only been like 10 minutes, 1 minute. Yeah, I just wanted to say that after I put that thing in the freezer, I got bored, so I started cleaning up my room. And when I washed this thing, it was really easy because the glycerin washes it out for us, because it is kind of soap. Glycerin is kind of a soap, so it was really easy to wash. And then I'm just saying that the soap will really work. Okay? See you in 30 minutes. Guys, the soap still hasn't cooled down. I just wanted to say you can make many different colors if you want. I lost one of the molds, so I can't do that. But if you can, then definitely do it if you want. Okay guys, this just came out of the freezer. I took it out and it looks very clear on the bottom, but on the top, not so much. Okay, let's read the science behind this. The conversion of certain chemicals into the soap through heating is called saponification. The glycerin in the soap helps moisturize the skin. That's the science behind this. I am going to make one more. I hope you guys do it and buy this kit. This kit is really fun. That's it for today's video. Bye.